Hi there. So a lot of you had some compliments on my chart, so I wanted to just give you a brief overview of how I did it. Professor Podmanik also has a great, more in-depth tutorial. So if you look at the equation for this column, it should look familiar. It is our equation for wind velocity as a function of temperature. So the first row is just going to be a variety of temperatures, as well as wind velocities. So the column A is just going to be a variety of wind velocities. And just having this dollar sign in front of either the column value or the row value maintains either the column or the row. And so what we can do, and then for these, we just have a +1 because that allows us to just drag it. And then you get increasing temperatures, real temperatures, and then a 2 + 1, drag it, increasing wind velocities, right? So what we can then do, drag this out. We can also drag this down. Then if you want to continue to, and so what we're getting in each of these cells is the wind temperature at a given real temperature and wind velocity, right? So this would be the wind chill temperature as a function of, or that would be the real temperature, or the wind chill temperature when it is 4 degrees with 5 mph winds. Okay, so so then what you're going to do is you are just going to grab all of this, drag it down, and then you're going to go to Insert, Chart, and I will do, and then you get this. And so you can sort of change it to 3D area. And as you can see, all of these numbers is a given real temperature. All of these numbers would be at a given wind velocity. And then if you look at all of these different colors, each of these little slices is going to be the wind chill temperature as a function of real temperature at a given wind velocity. And if we double click on our chart area, we can choose to add axis titles, which are these things, and also this format sidebar will pop up. So if we just double click on the full chart again, it will change to format chart area. If we choose 3D rotation, we can see our lovely little chart from different perspectives. What we can also do is we can, if we want to graph wind chill temperature as a function of velocity at constant t values, we can just click switch row and column. I'm so sorry, we have a variety of wind velocities. Our slices are now actual temperatures, so each slice represents wind chill temperature as a function of wind velocity at given temperatures. And all that we really did in changing the row and columns is we changed what the slices are. So really, it's the same surface area, but we just changed the axis along which our surface area is sliced. And similarly, we can do some fun rotations. And if we're not interested in having slices to help us better conceptualize what we're actually looking at, we can go back to Change Chart Type, go to Surface, and get a lovely 3D chart.